welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make lamingtons. They're a classic Australian cake, just in time for Australia Day, so let's get stuck in. Now the ingredients I'll be using today for these lamingtons are 3 eggs separated, 220 grams of caster sugar, 100 grams of softened butter, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 300 grams of plain flour, 4 tablespoons of corn flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and 230 ml of milk. Now my oven is preheating at 160 degrees Celsius, and I've also lined a square baking tin with some baking paper. The first step to make the lamington batter is to mix together the egg whites and 1/3 of the sugar until it forms soft peaks. Okay, I'm going to pop this egg white mix into another bowl here and then get mixing the other ingredients. Next step, I'm going to beat together the remainder of the sugar, the butter, the egg yolks and the vanilla extract. Now I have sifted together the flour, corn flour and the baking powder. The next step is to alternatively mix in the flour and the milk. To loosen the batter up, I'm just going to add 1/3 of the egg whites and then give that a mix. And then I'm going to fold in the remainder of the egg whites. Now this batter is going into the prepared tin and I'm going to bake it for 45 minutes. Now the cake has cooled and I've chopped them roughly to the same size. I'm going to start making the topping now. I have 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 50 grams of dark chocolate, 180 ml of boiling water and 180 grams of icing sugar. Now to make the topping, I'm going to mix together all those ingredients until they're nice and smooth. Now this chocolate icing has cooled. I've also got 200 grams of desiccated coconut here. I'm going to dip the lamingtons into the chocolate and then into the coconut so they're completely covered, and then pop them on the wire rack until they're set. And there you go, the Australian classic lamington. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next week. Bye.